my channel. It's your girl Perpetua, aka Pepe Pere. And this is your first time stopping by. Thank you for clicking on this video. Don't ensure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know the vibe, you know the dream, you know what we do on this channel. Okay, so guys, on this channel we do beauty, lifestyle, nursing related videos, etc. So guys, I just handed over, like I did the night shift, so this is like 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm about heading home. Today I have a whole lot of stuff lined up for the day. I'll be traveling from Edo State to Delta State by road this morning, and also once I get to Delta State, I'd make my hair, fix myself up with my hairstylist and make my hair, and from there I think I'll into you guys up with whatever and everything I'm going to do today. So come along with me. Hi guys, so obviously I'm back home, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And I think it's kind of late already, so hair appointment moved till whenever. I don't know, I'm a bit laid back about this hair thing, but I'll try to do better. So right now I just want to rest and nothing much. So see when we see. Oops, I didn't make the hair and I left immediately back to Benin. I have work by 2 o'clock. It's currently 11:54 and I'm just chilling basically and seeing a movie, and I want to just try as much as possible to vlog the whole of this week. And I guess the reason why it's a bit tiring for me is because I do like one thing like all through. I go to work, like my routine is just go to work, come home, go to work, come home. When I'm off duty I just sleep and that's it. So guys, I'm apologizing and I want to take it upon myself this week to vlog as much as possible. And yeah, let's grow this channel, you know the vibes. Okay, so enough of the talking, let's go down to business.
And they will have a sweet life. Hello. Let's have a ginger wish. One.
Hi guys, so I came back from work not long ago and I went to Market Square. I got quite a number of stuffs and I don't know, I was looking for some things. I did not see, so I just had to make do with the little I got. So let me show you guys. I got noodles, this oriental fried noodles. I've never had one. Try it out. I got dry fruits for my pancakes and maybe cakes for more pancakes. So I got Nescafe 3-1 like I don't know if you've tried it, but if you've not tried this, you're missing. I got poppy orange because why not? Then Nivea, because I'm a Nivea woman, and initially I wanted the bigger one, but did not have. I needed peak milk, but I got loyal milk, and I did not want to waste the time. I just got it. Capri Sun because yeah. Sardine. Then this pancake mix, you guys, I've never tried it. I don't know how it is, but I think when I try it out, I'll let you guys know. I'm guessing and hoping it's good because my money cannot waste. I think I got it for 1,266 naira. Then cornflakes, Nasco, my fave, my all-time fave. How can you go to Market Square without getting bread? Yeah, I got bread, Baker Square bread. So guys, that's the lip tube. I think I bought food. Yes, I bought food from Market Square, but I was so tired and I needed to eat, so I just had to eat that one real quick before anything. So I think it's about okay, it's 9 p.m. already, and I just want to get off this dress, take my bath, and sleep. But I'm glowing. Oh, see my skin now. I'm glowing. Nivea. See, this is not sponsored. Oh, Nivea, just Nivea cream, and I'm glowing like this. No glow oil, nothing. Thinking of fixing my hair, but we'll see about that. So I think I'm ending this here. We'll continue tomorrow. My eyes are sunken and I've really been stressed lately. I'll do something about this. So peace out. Hi guys, what's up? So it's currently 11:54 p.m. and I'm creating content for TikTok. It's crazy. So I think I'll insert a clip or something when I'm done. So let me get back to content creation, guys. So it's currently 11:22 a.m. and I just finished creating content for TikTok. I think I created like 4 videos for TikTok yet to edit too, and I have work by morning. And let me get off my costume and sleep. And that's it. Oh, I just got back from work not long ago. It rained. I got drenched a little bit, but we're good, we're okay. So the problem now is that I've not eaten since morning and it's currently 5:30 p.m. and I'm not in that space to make a proper food, if you know what I mean. So I'm thinking just maybe I should try out that pancake mix I got the other day, because I don't know how it tastes. I don't even know. I've never tried it before. Let's see how it goes, okay? And before then, I'm sipping on some Capri Sun. Like, oh, dude, you cannot be on planet and not like Capri Sun. Hello. So yeah, that's it, and I'll let you guys know. So guys, this is the pancake mix I got on Sunday. I've not tried it out, and yeah, we'll see how it turns out to be. So guys, I want to rant. I thought I'd be getting, like, even if it's not so full, I think it should be like up to half. But this is what I got. Quarter of the product, quarter, like, just this is just what I got. I'm really disappointed, seriously. Like, I expected more. And it's better turn out nice, if not. Okay, so I'm at the market. Basically, I came to get some fabrics to make a couple of dresses for a client, and yeah, that's just me negotiating and all of that. Yeah, enjoy. If you're still not subscribed yet, please do. If you go to this part of the vlog, thank you so much. Please like, comment, share, all that good stuff. You know the vibes, you guys. Yeah, so I guess this is where I'd be ending this vlog for today. And yeah, thank you for listening or watching. And I don't know. Thank you. See you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye. I love you guys. Bye.